Having a well-designed bathroom is always a plus, especially when tight on space in a college dorm. A bathroom cabinet is a great storage solution. Can help you maximize your storage space, while also adding style to your room. Consider the size of your bathroom cabinet. Need something that is big enough to hold all of your necessary items, but not too big that it takes up too much space. Look for cabinets with multiple shelves, drawers or organizers to help you keep your items in order. Think about the placement of your bathroom cabinet. Want it to be easily accessible but also out of the way, so that it does not take up valuable floor space. Consider hanging a cabinet on the wall, or placing it on top of a toilet to save space. Choose a style that complements your college decor. Find bathroom cabinets in a lot of materials and finishes, from wood and metal to glass and acrylic. Choose something match overall design theme and style. With these design tips, you can create a stylish and functional bathroom. A bathroom cabinet is an essential storage solution. Will maximize your space and keep your items organized. If you have a little more space to work with, consider installing a corner cabinet. Don't hesitate to invest in one. Take your college decor to the next level. Can make a big difference in your college dorm room. By choosing the right storage solutions for your needs, you can create a functional and attractive space. Will help you feel at home during your college years. Follow us and get more details.